So I'm Noreen Weeden, and I'm a volunteer with both Golden Gate Audubon and the Yerba Buena chapter of the California Native Plant Society. And I'm here to talk with you about a Plants for Birds program, which is a partnership of both of these organizations. Did you know that almost half of the birds in North America have been seen in our city? Native birds, due to our unique geographic location here along San Francisco Bay and the ocean with hills and dunes, we've seen about 500 species of birds documented. Unfortunately, our breeding bird population has been in steep decline for decades. These are some of the almost 500 beautiful and amazing native plants. But today, only a small fraction of our vegetated space includes any of our local native plants. Our breeding birds evolved with, and other birds evolved with, and depend upon our native plants. They need the nectar, seed, fruit, and mostly insects, like Matt and Joanne spoke about, which are beneficial to birds and harmless to people. So these insects are beneficial for birds, but they're harmless to people. Few of the exotic plants supply this food. Many of the exotic plants are even advertised as pest-free, and this means insects stay away and thus don't support our butterflies, native bees, or birds. We need to reduce exotics and plant natives. There's a huge potential to support wildlife by replacing lawns and exotics with native plantings. By adding native plants, we can watch birds come in. Native plants add interest and beauty to your yard or patio and to your neighborhood. They can provide shelter and nesting areas for birds. The nectar, seeds, berries, and insects will sustain birds in a diversity of wildlife. So local native plants are ready for San Francisco's soils, wind, fog, and rainfall. Golden Gate Audubon and the Yerba Buena chapter of CNPS have selected 4 plants for this program to get you off to a great start. These plants attract local native birds. There we go. This year we have selected San Francisco native tree, bush, vine, and ground cover that support native birds. These plants will give a boost to San Francisco's biodiversity. The tree selected is the Coast Red flowering currant. This beautiful and compact tree blooms in the winter, and it's very attractive to birds like this Anna's hummingbird species. The bush we selected is the coffee berry. The fruits produced by the coffee berry draw in cedar waxwings and other birds. The California honeysuckle is a local vine which has a wonderful pink blossoms, and Allen's hummingbirds visit this for their nectar. Beech Strawberry is a terrific ground cover that does well in San Francisco's sandy soil. Birds, including the California towhee, eat the small berries that this plant produces. Check the Yerba Buena website for more specific information on the Plants for Birds program. There are resources on the plant characteristics that you can find here. This is all about local. So you can shop local at these local native nurseries for local plants, for local birds, and tell them Golden Gate Audubon or CNPS sent you. We encourage you to become a member of CNPS Yerba Buena and Golden Gate Audubon and to plant native plants for birds. Thanks very much.